Hello friends, you can log on to primeaptacademy.com to access complete free video courses. Okay, so this question says that there are 12 points such that from the 12 points, 4 points are collinear. Okay, from the given other points, these points are non-collinear. Okay, so what we have done is we have drawn these 4 collinear points and we have drawn the remaining 8 points like this. Okay, these are non-collinear points. Now to create a triangle, I can use 3 points from these non-collinear points to create a triangle like this. Okay, so from 8 points we have to select 3 points to get a triangle. That can be done in 8C3 ways. Okay, so the number of triangles will be 8C3 using only these 8 points. Okay, these 3 points, 6 and 8, there are 8 points. So using these 8 points, 8C3 number of triangles can be created. Now if you look at it, I can also create a triangle such that I am using 2 points from here and 1 point from here. So like this. Okay, this can be a triangle. Okay, so if I choose 2 points from this and 1 point from this, I can create a triangle. But keep in mind, if I am choosing this point and this point here, okay, so like if I create a triangle like this, then I have chosen 3 points from this line because these are collinear points. So this point is lying here. So while I am counting the number of triangles such that I am choosing 2 points from here, I will have to take these 2 points into consideration, then these 2 points into consideration, and only these 2 points into consideration. I cannot create a pair of this point and this point because then there are 3 points here. Okay, also I cannot create a pair of this point and this point because again there will be 3 points. Okay, similarly I cannot create a pair of this point and this point because there will be 4 points there. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is this point and this point, we can use them and create how many triangles? 8 triangles. Why? Because there are 8 points above. Okay, so like this is one of the triangles that I drew. We can also draw this triangle. So there are 8 different triangles that we can get. Similarly with these points, so from here we can get 8 triangles, plus from here we can get 8 triangles also. Again, plus from here we can get 8 triangles. So we can get 8 plus 8 plus 8, which is 24 triangles. So we already had 8C3 triangles plus 24 more triangles we can have when we select 2 points from these 4 collinear points. Okay, now if you look at it, we can also create triangles such that we will use 3 collinear points from here. So for example, if I draw a triangle like this, so I have chosen 3 collinear points from here. Okay, again I cannot choose this, this and this point as 3 collinear points because if I do that, then I am including this point, then there will be 4 collinear points. Okay, so I can choose these 3 collinear points and create a triangle. Also I can choose these 3 collinear points and create a triangle. Okay, alright, so using these 3 collinear points, 8 triangles can be created because there are 8 points above and we can join them to create 8 triangles. Similarly, using these 3 collinear points, 8 more triangles can be created. So 8 plus 8, we can get 16 more triangles. Okay, and finally what we can do is using all the 4 collinear points. Okay, so these 24 triangles we got by choosing 2 collinear points. Okay, 2 of the points from the collinear points. These 16 triangles we got by choosing 3 collinear points from 4 collinear points. Okay, now if we choose all 4 collinear points here, that means this is one side of the triangle and then we can create like this triangle. So how many triangles we can create using this as a straight line of the triangle? We can create 8 such triangles because there are 8 other points above. So this plus 8. So we will get these many number of triangles. So now we just need to calculate the value. So value of 8C3 is 8 factorial by 3 factorial times 5 factorial. So 8 factorial can be written as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. 5 factorial goes away. 3 factorial is equal to 6. So this goes away, this goes away. So we are left with 8 times 7, which is 56. So this is 56 plus 24 plus 16 plus 8. So 24 plus 16, that is 40. 40 plus 8 is 48. So this is 56 plus 48. That is what we get. So 56 plus 40 if we do, that is 96. 96 plus 8 is 104. So there are 104 such triangles we can create. Okay, this was a bit complicated question. What you needed to take care was how collinear points will come into picture to create different triangles. Okay, so 104 is the answer to the question. That is how we solve this question.